Own a pool pump? Costing you an arm and leg? Stop the insanity. $1,200, solar power end, 6 bolts and you're done. From your existing pump, no plumbing required. Runs on 2 solar panels. It's variable speed by the sun and extremely quiet. Of course you can replace the whole pump for $1,500. Works hand in hand with Mother Nature like you wouldn't believe. Strong water circulation all day long when your water needs it the most. Powered free by the sun, swimming pool, off the grid. We offer complete package kits, easy do-it-yourself setup. You're going to save tons of money. Return on investment starts the day you install it, and with the 30% federal tax credit. This is the smartest thing you could do for your house, since you bought it. Property value can go up 30 grand from just installing it. Our SunRay pumps are made in America. Let's get this one done. I can answer all your questions for getting your pool, pond, koi pond and well pumps off the grid forever. I've been helping customers and cities around the country for over 2 decades, getting their pump systems off the grid. It's what I do for a living. Please act now. We have tons of very satisfied customers, and you can be the next one. Check us out. I do the home shows in Arizona and around the country, display at the pool industry trade shows, have won 6 international awards. Unfortunately, the pool industry is out to lunch. With regards to solar power pumps, I talk the talk and walk the walk. I'm not going anywhere other than helping you get your pool pump off the grid. Going forward from here, you can call, chat, get a pump quote or buy now. You have to do something about your pool pump being on the grid, because doing nothing is unacceptable for yourself. Just burning cash every day, for what reason? What are you getting out of it? Slow pumping your water at low speeds, using more chemicals than you should because of stagnant slow water flow. This has to stop. And this is not about global warming, climate change, being sustainable, or hugging trees. For me, I don't care if you eat red meat or leaves off a tree. Running your swimming pool filter pump on the utility grid needs to come to an end for your water safety and well-being. Now, to be clear, this is mainly because the recent federal laws on what type of AC, utility grid pool filter pump, you're required to buy, keeping you tethered to the electrical grid. But it's how they're programmed to perform, which is low speeds, slow pumping. It's a pool industry joke and allows for unsafe water quality for you and your family, which I take very seriously. Of course, there's also the cash burn you're forced into every day by running your pool pump with no end in sight. Until now. Because I'm sure you understand, it's time to switch to my SunRay pool pump and eliminate all that worry and stress and have a healthier, safer swimming pool, completely powered by the sun. Even on cloudy days, it works just fine. Just like you can get a sunburn in the clouds, the solar pump works great in the clouds. Lastly, I'll point out, we also offer hybrid options for both day and night use cases, perfect for nighttime spa use or pool run time. It's what we offer for koi fish ponds, commercial fountains, and other 24/7 required operations that can automatically switch power sources. These systems can run on AC or DC power, ensuring your spa or any nighttime needs are met through grid or battery power. But for your daily circulation and filtration, you will rely on and have the benefit of the sun's power, completely free every day. Also, our SunRay Pump Complete Kit comes with the valves needed to keep your existing pump plumbed in, which you have now. Then you plumb in the solar pump right next to it, giving you the benefit of your current system and being off the grid for your daily water needs, free from the sun. Okay, well, that's my point of view. If you like what you heard, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. Buy your SunRay solar pool pump today, and please tell your neighbors. Thank you for your time.